Today, we are going to talk about Jell-O Cook and Serve chocolate pudding. This delicious dessert is loved by many. But if you are looking to reduce carbs, there are some cooking methods you can use. Let's explore these methods together. First, let's understand the traditional way to prepare this pudding. The classic recipe calls for milk, sugar, and the pudding mix. This combination creates a rich and creamy dessert. However, the sugar and milk can add a significant amount of carbohydrates. To start reducing the carbs, you can try using unsweetened almond milk instead of regular milk. Almond milk has fewer carbs than cow's milk. It also has a nice, light flavor that pairs well with chocolate. Next, let's talk about sugar. Instead of using regular sugar, consider using a sugar substitute. Many options are available, such as stevia or erythritol. These sweeteners provide the sweetness you desire without the extra carbs. Just be sure to check the packaging for the correct measurement. Some substitutes are sweeter than sugar, and you may need less. Another method is to add a thickening agent instead of using more pudding mix. You can use a little bit of cornstarch or even gelatin. These options can help achieve that creamy texture without adding too many extra carbs. Now, let's discuss portion sizes. Preparing smaller servings can help you enjoy the pudding without consuming too many carbs at once. Instead of serving a full bowl, consider using small cups or ramekins. This way, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging. You can also enhance the flavor without adding carbs. Consider adding vanilla extract or a pinch of salt. These ingredients can elevate the taste of your pudding without increasing the carbohydrate content. If you are feeling adventurous, you can make a chocolate pudding pie with a low-carb crust. You can use almond flour or coconut flour to create a tasty crust that is much lower in carbs than traditional pie crusts. This way, you can enjoy a delightful dessert while keeping your carb count in check. Another fun idea is to add toppings that are low in carbs. Whipped cream made from heavy cream can be a great choice. Just whip the cream until it forms soft peaks and add a little sweetener if desired. Fresh berries can also be a lovely addition. They add flavor and freshness while being lower in carbs. Do you enjoy chocolate chips? You can find sugar-free chocolate chips to sprinkle on top of your pudding. These chips can add a delightful crunch and extra chocolate flavor without the added carbohydrates. When cooking your Jell-O pudding, make sure to follow the instructions on the package. However, remember that you have the flexibility to modify the recipe to suit your dietary needs. As you experiment with these methods, keep track of what works best for you. Everyone's taste preferences and dietary needs are different. Finding the right balance will help you enjoy your chocolate pudding while reducing carbs. In summary, you can enjoy Jell-O Cook and Serve chocolate pudding with lower carbs by using almond milk and sugar substitutes. You can also control portions and add low-carb toppings. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, cooking is all about creativity and finding what works for you. Enjoy your delicious desserts without the guilt. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to get all future updates from us.